something to make something happen. There's a 72 and there's a 40. For our cervical spine x-rays, we want to be at 40 inches, correct?
Yep.
So we go. Makes lots of noise, there's lots of people practice with it, and it bumps. The minute you let go of this, it stops. There's a mechanical lock that stops the action, okay? Now I hit roll because I want this to be turned like so, and it clicks when it's at 90 degrees, okay? Now I bring it down to what I think is going to be his AP open mouth. No, that's fine, don't do anything. Okay, now step to the left. Now I'm getting myself prepared. So I want an area that's exposed about the size of his COVID mask, all right? So I can make this smaller, okay? About like so, that's about all I need, and I need a marker.
What is that?
Okay, I don't have a right marker, but I have a left one. So then
You want a right marker? Right here.
Is there one here? They should be there, I don't know where they hide them, but, okay. I want to put that about like so. Now, I've organized myself. Now, I don't know what the level of his mouth is, so now your patient can come back. Just leave your mask on. So what I'm aiming is right about here with this horizontal part of my, okay, if you step out, I'm putting this at the sides of his mouth. Okay, come on back, patient. Now you can drop your mask. Okay, and I'm just aiming this. It's pretty close. I can make it a little higher. Okay, just like that. If he opens his mouth, I'm about where I need to be. Relax. Does that make sense?
That's
Yep.
what they're raising, right?
Yeah. Now, A is the tube, B is the patient. This matches him, but it doesn't match the capturing device.
Okay.
That's where the film, quote unquote, is. That's going to capture all this information that's created. So if he steps to the side, we want to make this, it wouldn't work very well if it was like this, because there's less space here than there is here. So we want it to be roughly, from your perspective,
Equal,
about the same.
yeah.
Okay? Because that's how the digital system works over in the clinic. This is old conventional x-ray, so we're just saying, make this and this about the same. That will work for us when we're over there.
Got it.
Okay? Come on back. I've got my marker.
And you want the marker within the lid space, correct?
Pretty close to the lit up space, okay? Now open, let your jaw drop. Okay, say ah, don't move, click.
Okay.
Relax and breathe. That's my AP open mouth exam. Okay?
Got it.
So it's always the same. We're at 40 inches, where do I need to aim?
Between
Below
one
the
and
teeth.
two.
Below the
Front line.
teeth.
Bottom of the
Front line.
top teeth or at the angles of the mouth, okay? So what I did with the other group is they're doing that now, you can do the same thing now. Everybody is different heights, so your open mouth will be different heights. Okay, if you want more practice, start at 72 inches and go in. Because look what happens, step to the side, patient. Okay, the minute I go to 72 inches, what happens to my square?
It's bigger.
Okay, so if you're at 72 inches, you want to move to 40, it's going to get smaller, and you have to make it half the size of this. Okay?
Fair enough.
You just have to touch things, okay? Roll. We need that when we do the lower cervical because we're taking advantage of the lordosis. Transverse makes this move in and out. You don't need that. Release all, releases all the buttons, okay? There's two of them. So vertical, up and down, longitudinal, back and forth. It's your experience of working with the equipment that will help you, all right? Now, there's no right or wrong in here. You can't break anything, okay? And you'll change your sequence of how you do things, but you don't have time to write notes. So we've got spreadsheets that are available for you. We're trying to get some people to do some still videos. It depends on what kind of a learner you are. But the bottom line is you can't theorize this.
Right.
You can organize yourselves, but you have to do the touches.
Got it.
Okay? So everybody rotate through different heights, and then when everybody's done, we'll do the next
Do you ever
group.
adjust what's there for the, if like I'm shorter or it doesn't matter?
Well, then this has to come down,
Yeah.
right?
No, I was just saying, how does that come down?
Just pull it.
Okay, gotcha. Sorry.
Okay?
Yep.
It's a good question. And then when we're doing the AP lower cervical, we use the size of about this. So we want to make this smaller, right? Okay, we want to be within the edges of the, is it a mini or is it a?
That is the 10.9 or
No, is it mini or is it regular size?
I think it's around.
Oh, sorry.
Well, the size of a clipboard.
Yeah.
We want to be smaller.
Got
The
it.
spine's in the middle.
Got it.
With you, sir, I don't have that luxury. I'm gonna leave it, I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger because he has a big.
So you want like 8.5 by 11?
8.5 by 11, but you want to be inside
Yep.
That square.
this edge rectangle because there's nothing that will capture the information.
Got it.
Him, I'm gonna make it bigger because he's a bigger person.
Got it.
Okay? All right, we'll see you in a few minutes.
Thank you.
Thank you.